Okay children, now we are doing with unification of Italy. We finished with French Revolution, now we are doing with unification of Italy. Now first and foremost, Italy was disintegrated into small states, okay, during the early part of 19th century. Some, for example, there were Lombardy, Sicily, Venetia and Naples. You have already have a map in the textbook. Just go through that. Between 1815 to 1848, many riots took place. Riots, like you can say, many fights, destruction, everything took place. When? During 1815 to 1848. So the main aim of these riots, or you can say conflicts, anything, was what? National freedom and national integration. So during this time or during this scenario, three architects came. The three architects were Joseph Mazzini, then you had Count Cavour and Garibaldi. These three architects played a very important role in the unification of Italy. Now Joseph Mazzini, he was a revolutionary thinker. So he has written many books and many of the revolutionary writings. Garibaldi was a soldier and he was a fighter. And his army was known as Red Brigade. Okay, so his army was known as Red Brigade. And Count Cavour, he was a prime minister of Sardinia. Sardinian prime minister was Count Cavour. And even he played a very important role in the unification of Italy. What he did, Count Cavour, he decided to drive out Austria. From where? From Italy. And he wanted to make Sardinia Italy's biggest and a powerful state. Who? Count Cavour. As soon as he assumed power as a prime minister of Sardinia, he began to work for achieving freedom. His ambition was that. What was his ambition? To drive out Austria from Italy. Means to just remove it out. So this, he brought many reforms and made Italy a very progressive state. And also, he made a secret pact with whom? With France. He provoked Austria to war. So what is provoking? So he made Austria to wage war. And along with France, he defeated Austria and drove it away from Lombardy. He merged Sardinia and Lombardy with Italy. So this is what he wanted to do. So this is all his secret plan he did. What he did now? He merged, means he brought together Sardinia and Lombardy with Italy. There were revolutionaries in Tuscany, Modena, Parma and many northern Pope states, and they merged with Sardinia. And secretly what he did, he encouraged Garibaldi. He was a fighter and he was a soldier also. So that's what he wanted to do. He invaded Sicily, and in 1861, Victor Emmanuel was declared as the king of Italy. And Italy acquired Venetia and Austria. Now only Rome remained outside Italy. So all were inside Italy. Now only which was remaining? Only Rome was assigned. So in 1870, when the war broke out between France and Prussia, what happened? France had to withdraw. France had no other way. It had to withdraw its army from Rome. France had to withdraw its army from Rome. So what happened now? Grabbing this opportunity, Victor Emmanuel invaded Rome and occupied it. And thus what happened? Rome became the capital of Italy. With this, the unification of Italy was completed. Is it clear, children?